Hey there, Austin, our biggest event of the year is just around the corner. Precision Cameras, Winter Expo. 2 days of exclusive sales, demos, and much, much more. Save the taxes on all new Nikon, Canon, Sony, Panasonic, Fujifilm, Sigma, and Tamron products that we have in stock. And get 20% off all classes under $200, 15% off all bags, tripods, filters, and standard prints. Plus, jump on Expo exclusive pricing for cameras like the Panasonic G100 and more. Look out for trade-in bonuses, like an extra 15% towards all new Sony mirrorless cameras, and an extra 5% on all other trade-ins during the Expo. On top of this year's fantastic sales, we're offering in-store demos. Come touch and try the latest and greatest gear from all our major brands. Plus, we'll have on-site experts and reps to answer all your questions. Don't forget to take advantage of our free on-site classes during both days. But wait, there's more. On top of this year's exclusive sales, we'll be giving away $1,300 and mystery coupons valued between $10 and $100 for the first 50 people on each day at both locations. So don't miss out on this year's Winter Expo on November 11th and 12th at both our Anderson and Southpark Meadows locations. That's November 11th and 12th for exclusive deals, demos, and much, much more. We can't wait to see you there.